Okay.
Jonas, I have to tell you something. You're the new receiver of memory.
Don't you see it, Asher?
What are you talking about, Jonas?
Don't you see the color?
Color?
Yeah, right there. It's right there.
No, I don't see any color.
It's
You
like-
okay?
Yeah, fine.
Action.
Jonas, you have to get out of here. Do what your heart says.
What if someone should see me?
Run for the hills.
You guys, stop! Dangerous. You don't understand. This is actually going on somewhere.
I'm sorry.
You don't get it.
I said I'm sorry. Jonas, you have to get a hold of yourself.
I can't.
Well, just do it.
I can't leave everything. I've lived here for 12 years.
You know you want to.
Well, yeah, but what if someone should see me?
Run, faster.
Don't you see it, Asher? What are you talking about? Don't you see the color?
Alo? Salut! Sunt eu, un haiduc
Jonas, you're the new
și
receiver.
te rog, iubirea mea, primește fericirea. Alo?
Jonas and Fiona's game.
Sunt eu, Picasso, ți-am dat bip și sunt voinic, dar să știi, nu-ți cer nimic. Vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și dragostea din tei.
Jonas, you have chicken wings for dinner again.
Ochii tăi, vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și dragostea din tei. Mi-amintesc de ochii tăi. Te sun să-ți spun ce simt acum. Alo? Iubirea mea, sunt eu, fericirea. Alo? Alo? Sunt iarăși eu, Picasso, ți-am vorbit.
What is that?
Și sunt voinic, dar să știi, nu-ți cer nimic. Vrei să pleci